Hi friends! Today we'll learn how to say thank you in Tagalog, starting with the word salamat, plus the most common variations you'll hear every day. The most common way to say thank you in Tagalog is salamat, pronounced sah-LAH-maht, simple and heartfelt. You can say, salamat sa tulong mo, which means thank you for your help. To be polite, especially when speaking to elders or superiors, add the word po. For example, salamat po. Salamat po, nanay. Salamat po sa pagkain, sir, ma'am. When you want to express even more gratitude, say, maraming salamat, which means thank you very much. Maraming salamat sa regalo. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. Salamat. Salamat po. Maraming salamat. In Filipino culture, saying salamat is more than manners. It's about gratitude, respect, and connection. It's a beautiful part of our hospitality. Now you know the most important ways to say thank you in Tagalog. Salamat po for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and visit my blog for more Tagalog phrases and Filipino culture.